Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today mark day 8 of the special court hearing of first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar and 7 SPLM-IO leader in Juba, South Sudan. Well, in this broadcast, we bring you the background of the case, key development from previous hearing, and what to expect in the upcoming session. The trial has captured national and international attention due to its political, legal, and security implications. Stay with us as we guide you through the latest update, expert analysis, and the unfolding dynamic of this landmark trial. Today, to understand the significance of today's proceeding, we first need to recap the event leading to the trial. In March 2025, an attack occurred in Nasser County, targeting an army base, and civilians were also killed when the Norway Army and SSPDF clashed. According to official report, 256 South Sudan People Defense Force soldiers were killed, and more than 100 of North civilians were targeted using helicopter. Incendiary weapons were used. In the incident between the Norway Army, one of the general, Major General David Majudak, got killed. The government alleged that SPLM-IO leader, including Dr. Riek Machar, coordinated the attack. They accused Dr. Machar serious charges, including treason, crime against humanity, mass murder, terrorism, destruction of property. The incident happened between the Norway Army and militia army. These militia army, they do not have base or office. They are just ordinary Nuer youth that only take arm when they see dangers coming to them. They only organize themselves when they see the people are in danger, like when people come and kidnap their kids or raid their cattle. That's only when they act. From the outset, the trial has been highly contentious because Dr. Machar legal team claimed immunity as first Vice President, arguing that the court lacked jurisdiction over him. However, the court has maintained that the trial must proceed to evaluate evidence and testimonies. The trial is being held at Freedom Hall under tight security, with both prosecution and defense presenting multiple exhibits and documents. Observers say the trial is not only a legal matter, but also a political test, reflecting South Sudan's fragile peace process and ongoing reconciliation effort. Before we look ahead today, let's review what has happened in the court so far. Number one, the admitted evidence. The court accepted the autopsy report of Major General David Majudak, signed by Dr. Akram. This report, labeled Prosecution Exhibit Number 5, was admitted without objection. The court also admitted the death certificate for 256 soldiers, despite objection from the defense about missing names, deployment orders, and proof of presence in Nasser. Second, rejected evidence. A South African digital forensic report containing videos, phone call recording, and alleged funding linked to SPLM-IO members was rejected. The defense argued that there was no legal cooperation agreement no court authorization for device, seizures, and concern about authenticity and privacy. The court ruled that the report cannot be admitted without the author or expert appearing for cross-examination. Third, other submission. The prosecution presented a military report detailing the formation of an investigation committee into the Nasser incident. Defense objection focused on section referencing a presidential decree and later allegedly signed by S.P. Limayo. Fourth, court rulings. The court emphasized that only admitted evidence will form the basis of proceeding and deferred decision on a disputed exhibit until further documentation or expert testimony is available. With day 8 approaching today, several critical issues are expected to dominate proceeding. The South African digital forensic report remains pending. That is number 1. Forensics expert testimony. The authentication of the document. Today, the prosecution may attempt to bring the expert to testify in court. Cross-examination will be crucial to determine the report admissibility, authenticity, and relevance. A second, defense strategy. The defense is expected to continue challenging evidence on procedural ground, including chain of custody, accuracy, and political bias. They may also seek to exclude part of the case that lacks sufficient admissible evidence. Number 3, evidence marking and court ruling. The court may mark additional prosecution exhibit, accept or reject disputed document, and provide guidance on the next step. Any ruling on these matters will shape the direction of the trial. Number 4, political and security implication. Observers, are watching how the trial affects South Sudan's peace process. Any perception of bias could influence political tension and public opinion. The special court has not set a final date for conclusion of the trial. Experts predict that given the complexity of evidence and witness testimonies, the proceeding could continue for several more weeks. To provide deeper insight, we spoke, with some of with legal and political experts about upcoming session. Number 1, legal analysis. The refusal to admit the digital forensic report without in-person expert testimony is consistent with international standard. Cross-examination ensure accuracy, authenticity, and fairness. The trial is not only a test of the judicial system, it is also a political litmus test. How the court manage evidence, particularly high-profile digital evidence, will affect public trust in both the judiciary and the political process. Defense objections are a standard part of trial strategy. Their goal is to ensure the prosecution meet its burden of proof and that any evidence is properly authenticated. The political ramifications, are substantial. Any ruling perceived as unfair could escalate tension among SPLMIO supporters and government forces. The admitted evidence include the autopsy report and death certificate. Pending evidence include the South African forensic report awaiting expert testimony. The military investigation report remains under review with some section disputed. Some sections are disputed within what they represent. Defense objection focus on procedural issues, authenticity, and political bias. And Malinkon Magwasa me Amandana Lerode which South Sudan. Can kononi am gori jeno jende subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel ko de la tide kan chomala shup kaji ko gwadra na chakale chakale rigwas me de je chomala jeke ku subscribe ko notification bell ku jetwan bana right comment brother laden wale ke shank badaka pai wal ron kin dangro wili jen dangro de an shang wala na me nyu jen wo jen shang an bata dien ka look sit kete ko ngai kon no cho dia lat awale by special code hearing shang badak dien ka kwi first by president Dr. Machar kana ne dang baro tin ko kien tin te ka kuma spela yo atin cha yen ka jekel re wi ka juba ka South Sudan ba lugien ba nyom to gen wala Kenya ambana gwiche ka te konde charen lat ne ka chang an barodien chang logan barodien ngai konte diale charen lat bianga jeno korme tuoga gwase dane shi ngwanen wari shi kan gaktin ke ne ti konte la din SSPDF en kore dane shi tuog jen shimi de larno shajeri alika ko kenyam keneti konte la ngwanen wari ka community kel chi shoot no de ne to de ka ger de ka watch ba che kan kir kan jeling shukor mo chu tok pai diok ron kin dang ro wi jan dang ro de dich an kormo me ji tore wi Nasser County she wich and daron SSPDF tin wo je chalu ya radio je jako ba je de ka ngwanen wari gwada che kor che to kamdien en re kore dan ke report shanunga wa ngani ki deni SSPDF at shop ko kudang ro jindid bakel South Sudanese People Defense Force wa chakne ken re kormo wona ka Major General David Majudak ci yede jen re kormo ne gwat mi wa kwaje evacuate nang jere wi ke juba en wana mo chu kor choro nyoko makadaro ten chu kor chu tok and then chu lia chu tok wana kane te konte kwana me kwaje facilitate no baji evacuate ko masbela yo kane te konte chaire al kano biken Riek Machar Riek Machar chala do ba ma juba nang re wicha ka juba meji to go kore tele asbela yo tel jeteten ko kane te content kuti dial ko kana facilitate meji kore meji to Riek Machar chaje jogo no ne tik ne ko te ke jen kwiri ke medane shi talk Dr. Machar chajo gwany ano jen chadwer chajalat chare diale konde charen lat chaka connect ke Dr. Machar Dr. Machar chalar lungono jen tele jala tet kamadan le rode ko ken ngwanen were ken la gang karodien mete kerek mi chikanen barin gang jen da ta dana len marudin ke antama chakula joje no nene Shukuma kirmi yadit ka duo bran chikari alike je chiken gujeno bikari Machar kan jikwar no biken ke yen ka biken ka luk me cha luk magwa luk la lukaika je chu jojo gwan wone na en kirmi yadit melede ko targene Dr. Machar ko jen chela do jojo long gon diale no chi ron kit kel ko bangon jin mongon kelen wo che to kam nore kan jang medane ci tok erwal kamde ken John Garinde Mabio no gwade shikaru alkaje me ci korche tok ka ray wit ka jongle antama ka jan doba me ci korje bitoga kam ngane nore sha kan di ali abladwi Dr. Machar are luka men ba lukan walle ka jan shanga badda ka me ka jan pai wal ron kin dangro jan dangro de dich acha jojo gwanu bi kirmi yadit kana bonde bi kan ne kenen kon kib de ne kenten nyodo Riek Machar che dol che jalat bi kan ka nyodan wala ka kod ashir me kana tok no kenyam me dane cha tok che jojo wo Riek Machar che ka lukan te diale kon te chala che kerja Dr. Machar jene cha jade kapin ko jente community constitutional right la first by president jene take a bomb ke take a long ko chaja kame gwade dan elat ko ngoten ke 2018 peace agreement la rift life peace agreement anamo long de mila dune but chikir shelok e kana tiken ka chuon ko de kan Riek Machar de kana watch anyog Riek Machar shelok bono jen de je trial ka jen code mom shall ke special code special code me jen she code dong de sha Dr. Machar sha je de charge de looked Dr. Machar jana charge de look a special code. They just look mishala hybrid code. Hybrid code jana shiraka code mitaka tena manage you into cocaine. Lo bikane diale konte chidwer shikalat nika gwada dan chikoricha toko je 2013 benaka wale. They ka deal looked in. Bana me charge go kum kirmi yadit. Kuja mo kanati kan kalwang kiri kan ka power. Kala no be code me ki look me ba wewe amenimi cha hybrid code charge establish ki charge chak but time kan chak rai which ka South Sudan ka chala no ki look mo ba je lalet and time ka freedom all ka jen kor gwada me ba look mo ba je tok gwan mi mo cha security charge ja to one mo ko ba Dr. Machar ba je na ko code and wala be jojo gwano evident and content banung ba ka nyot kon dio je nika jen lugan barodien la chang barodien dio je chana je ngaje no nene ti ga di chalat ten chalat kentine cha Major General David Maju dak cha ja wutam Dr. Michal Akram cha Michal ka autopsy report cha ja relika ka kui Major General David Maju dak cha wan mo kanere jak ko aram mo ci yede ci gen charge jago no ci charge accept no ci talk chal name exhibit number 5 kan reject men kume ki defend lawyer Dr. Machar men yam lat ko ni luken yam sha luk jen changan barodien mer dien en chare jagne la South African Digital Forensic Report la telephone kana computer Dr. Machar te konde cha kep ke phone call recording ni kan dial te cha kan ka kuma spela members cha ka reject cha ka look ne te konti la jilok kan kwakta ti wa cha ga nang ga South Africa wa ka gwi tenen re wichin winami Michigan ka no ngo cha ga ben kam jilok ka jen changan barodien ka la changa bakel ka pai well she need a country like a look no she can look can need na me can court can authorize and ba ko lat with Jordan tele court tele jeling ka South Africa animi dong she rama mo men let no money ka South Africa jaben ka South Sudan jen ta dan dong de je kul bilin ka ja ka do dan lele je ka ja cha churi jak nyu don wala ka jen changan wala ka chang badak la kodering and badak den ba jojo no ba baram mo dong de janang re lok ba kulo writing ka jawdana chalat der kula do badan che report me che jeri ale kaje la forensic report kon dialen kon chalat no cha kep ka kuma spela yo ne me emiten mana dienen cha nyoko mo kwa accept ken jilok a military report ke detail dung formation and investigation committee dan te cha kwante cho kana sa te wa turna kan gwade dan shi korche tokten misha cha jack of course kuma spela yo dindo shi neten kontin la prosecutor team cha report in cha no no chika procedure shi kan ko gor ka gwe jen o shi to commission mane no shi court chicken la do ne crediality ba ka nyoko mo gor ka ken wale ta dana sha ka ja ka je so mite ko mo balu jen wale ka jen codering and badek dien ko wale shangan badek dien ka look Dr. Machar ko look to ko je ka changan dang re do ka jen pai pangwan so much na me mo bro de lat ngai kon diale no Riek Machar kana je kware tele kale der ko tam je kon diala ngaje no ri ngwan ke lung re wi ka South Sudan te cha de lat wi Dr. Machar balas ke wi de ko ngai kon diala kon lat ko rodi ku ma spela yo jen kwala target ko gorgo jeno ci mal ci ben banete ngwan men jang lat kenen wo Riek Machar jaram dan bu mal bi no jen do bu dan lat keneje ko ngai kana gwan wo na me ala codering me mu we je ka do mo dong cha jen ci mutul ke je wi de mo ka che ten kon la chung cha galat no wana many balariek rewika South Sudan ko ngai ga jeno kan ne kon tela jeni nuore ngwana nuore kan ne te motel kan ka ngej kan ka leli ban mi chige jogo no ne me cha gwa ka shalu kan den buga ga ka je buga yit ka ye chire man dan lat ka bon tama dor jane but nuor waya mi chechet ke bonen ko ken ko kan tel ga gwan mi tege tin tele ko office tege dore ken ban mi tege reng mi chetu gwal dan je tok tin ba man gad ken nang no ken yen dob dan laran ka kula nen no bi ka berar bi ken ba ga ka ji ko ngai ken no no mo ci gad ken ci ka bilel ci ka benak ke ci ka benak ke ci ken ci kana yen dob dan la ken akje je me dan e to ngaro din ka je kam SSPDF ken nuor waya mi to go rode lam to me dene ko ne ken yam cinari na of course ni ke jen 2013 dan ba din ti kan kana ka kor me cina bin te kamal cha mal 2018 peace agreement cha jalat je te karol ko ken jay karo din ci ku ko ne ti ke jes pela yo kine ti ke jang no o ken de ni ti ken ka shing to gold ko ken let ken ka la doy kana ka changder ka doy kana ka war you know no ka pen kana jal ka let ken te chiro din lot mai kana bane kan dia la to ko kan te kan ga power let kan de to ton let kan de jekti chero to ka kan cha ga de jogo no let yen mo mi je a meje kore nya meje to ga jen 2024 no la ron kin dang ro jen dang ro dung wan to jojen wo shwa governor dung apnal chai chol chuben chubrai ka community ka chubrai ka ne de konti la dine no chwa ngu jen wo ne de konti la civilian te kan ga chong chwa la do ne ti ba ka ger ko chi ko dien na nyon ka you know ni cham dien ga kana la nganga bitin kon la dien ka biga lari ga long ana mo mi cha lat den cha gu jeno dong di jirel ka but kan me kan men to kana ben la let in a state ci kir point che o jang ne disarmament team ka tet Johnson lo ngene kong shorale mi kwa kong shorale kwa ngeje la governor ka kore mi ci kor mi ci to so mi ci na me gandi al ka te jo ci de mal kapchung me dan jo kir no please stop this but che gor kir gor no we be rem Machar bi jen ke je baname Shabu go along con South Sudan go peace, right? Go unity, go development. Me leader insist and they are targeting other just because they come from the other ethnicity. So na me gwina no dem aldereben no chedeben. Gwe go an target ko jana no ke jang. No mo chimal chedete chede malben. Na gor kano they can recognize no wane o benarwach dialogue jala main important thing ka kor. Kan ngwan wer kan gajian be kan jang kan konek bade ni kan be ku kan civilian ku lanak so an ko hearing me suppose the trial ni fon de ni cha de trial ni ne to kontilla kwar ko de ni kan wo nyenyon kan etin kontilla jiwitin kon they that's a they supposed to protect but instead jel kan ka main sa den do den de kon ling ko wande kon lat ko den no target ke liwo ko target mer ko ba ju call their territory as a way of invading their land jen ta dan te ten no so jo me jenanen gorno de nyoya kel an wale bantin kon lat ko den re which banakaling ka jen kor ko den be luga danan ba lu dak Machar ka changan badek den ani ban jegum den bi atak mar babay